Welcome to your guide to testing, evaluation, and research services. This series has been developed to help students to learn more about our office. Please stay tuned for some typical questions faced by students. But if we don't answer your question, please email us, testing@wayne.edu.
A lot of our CLEP testing and our other prometric testing we haven't been able to do because they're only available for in-person testing. What should someone do if they are interested in alternate credit by exam?
For the credit by exam program, and just to credit by exam kind of sits side to side with the college level exam program. So let me explain the two together. The college level exam program is a national testing program administered through the College Board, the same people who do the SAT. Every school that uses the program determines for themselves which of the CLEP exams, there's about 50 or so of them, they'll determine which of those they will accept, what courses they'll give credit for based on them, and what passing score they will require to meet that requirement. Wayne State is a CLEP testing center normally, and so Wayne State students would typically take the test through our center in order to take the test for Wayne State. Because our testing center is closed, we can't administer the test to you right now until we reopen. So in order to fill that void, we rediscovered a program called Credit by Special Exam. Credit by Special Exam is an institutional program that does fill the same need that the CLEP exam does. However, as the name implies, it's done institutionally, not through a national company. And the way that the Credit by Exam program works is that any department that wants to offer an exam that students can take to earn credit for a course, any department is eligible to do so. They set their own standards, they create their own exam. Right now, there's about 6 or 7 departments that we're aware of that have been doing it. More could do it if they choose to do so. The way that it works, if you want to try and earn credit for a course through the Credit by Exam program, is you first have to go to your academic advisor. They need to determine if they want you to be able to take an exam rather than taking the class. In some cases, they may say, no, we want you to take the class. If, however, they do say that, yes, it's okay if you take an exam instead of the class, you then go to the department that teaches that class to see if they are participating in the Credit by Exam program. And if they are, then great. They say that yes, they can administer the test to you. Now, there is a fee for this testing program, and this is really the only part that that our office, the testing office, is involved. Because the cashier's office isn't open to take your payments, we are one of the few offices that has a online payment system that works for a variety of different things. So we will assist in making the payment for the test. What you need to do is there's a form, either by filling out a form that's available through our website or by just a series of emails. We need to know that your advisor has approved the test, that the department that teaches the class has approved the test. You forward those emails to us, and then we will provide you with instructions on how to pay for the test. The fee for the test, it's $10 per credit hour. So if you're taking a test to earn 4 credit hours, it would be $40, 3 credit hours would be $30, and so on. All the information about the Credit by Exam program, how it works, is on our website. Just follow the links and it'll take you, including the step-by-steps. We also do have a list that we are aware of currently of departments that are participating in the program, and it contains a link to the specific individual in the department who is managing it for them.
There's a link right at the top of our main testing website that takes you to updates for the current semester that are related to COVID. So just click on that green button at the top of the screen and it'll take you to more information about special things. And kind of about halfway through the page is this idea of credit by exam.
Yep.
Are there other things that we should talk about on this screen that come up?
Well, just coming back to a little bit more about CLEP, because we do want to make it clear that although we are not open as a testing center, that doesn't mean it's impossible to take the CLEP exam. There are other centers that have opened because of their particular setups, they are able to administer the exam while we are not. And you can take the exam at any one of those centers and still have the results sent to Wayne State. So again, it's not required that you take the test here. You can take it elsewhere. If you go to our CLEP webpage, you'll find a link to the CLEP companies, the College Board's webpage. And from there, you can find what they call the Test Center Finder, which you can find all of the various test centers that give the test. And going through those, you can maybe find one that is open and available for testing. Right now, we are aware of 2 centers that have been, whether they still are, but have been testing. They are Michigan State University, and then there's also a community college in Perrysburg, Ohio. It's Perrysburg Community College, and they are just south of Toledo. And it is our understanding that they are currently testing as well. So those are the 2 centers that we are currently aware of. There may be others, but those are the 2 that we know about.
Email testing@wayne.edu for more information.